Exploration on anterior teeth. First, find the correct working end. Will be the end that curves into the tooth. For exploration on anterior teeth, the insertion point is the midline. Remember, we want to evaluate the midline, so your explorer should begin just 1 millimeter in front of the midline. Then you're going to assess. Make sure that you roll. You're going to explore all of the toward surfaces and then all of the away surfaces. Light pressure, light grasp, middle finger on the shank, and roll. So you keep only the tip third of the instrument on the tooth. When you're finished with the toward surfaces, you should then work on the away surfaces. First thing you always want to do is check your working end and choose the end that wraps around the tooth. You're going to again begin at the midline, light pressure, light grasp, and roll. It's a roll and a pivot. Keep the tip on the tooth. On anterior teeth, your fulcrum position should really only be 1 tooth away. If you're 2 teeth away, it's going to pull the instrument too far. Begin at the midline. Exploratory strokes. When I get to the line angle, I need to change my position on my grasp so I can roll far enough interproximal. Beginning at the midline, pull the explorer towards the tooth surface, so you're really assessing for calculus. Changing my position at the line angle. Need to get underneath that papilla. Make sure you go halfway into the interproximal. Biggest things students struggle with exploration, not going far enough subgingival. So you do have to get that tip a little bit sub. And you want to explore to the base of your pocket. So you want to use your perio chart to help you decide how far to explore. Demonstrating as if I were sitting in a 12 o'clock position, away surfaces. Make sure you, at the end, always complete your horizontal strokes. Horizontal strokes on anterior teeth are completed at the midline. You want to choose the end of the explorer that again wraps towards the tooth. So here you can see this end is poking straight into the gingiva. Completing your horizontal strokes, Your instrument is flat, and you're coming just across the midline. Light pressure, light grasp.